download your published videos straight from YouTube Studio. If you find this video helpful to you, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Alright, let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download any video that you uploaded through YouTube Studio. The first thing you need to do is to go to YouTube and then look for your videos. And here's the option. Click on it to open. Now this option will take you straight to YouTube Studio. And if you go to customization and then tap on this home tab, you can see the total number of videos that you have on your channel. Now in my case, you can see I already have 344 videos already uploaded on my channel. Now let me show you how you can download any of these videos. Now to download your videos, all you need to do is to tap on content. And this will give you a list of all your videos that you uploaded on your channel from the latest to the oldest. So scroll down through the list and you can go to the next page by using the next page option to find your video. Alternatively, you can use the filter function here and then type in the name of the video that you are looking for and then search if it is available. Alternatively, you can scroll through your channel and then identify the video that you would like to download. For instance, I want to download this video, which is 1 minute and 52 seconds. To do so, tap on these three dots and this will open up a number of tools that you can use to modify this video. Now, one of the functions that is available is the download button or the download feature that you can use to download the video. Now, when we hit on download, the download process will begin and straight away the video will be downloaded on our computer. And instantly our video has been downloaded and now we can open it from our computer. So that's how you download any video on your YouTube channel straight from your YouTube Studio. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.